Hey there, it's Jitan Tamang from Z10 Vlogs. Today I'm sharing 11 essential steps on how to become a successful YouTuber. First, define your niche and target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with your viewers. Next, create your YouTube channel and start sharing your passion with the world. Then plan your content schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Invest in quality equipment and software to produce high-quality videos. Produce high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Optimize your video descriptions and use SEO strategies to boost your visibility. Craft attention-grabbing video titles and thumbnails to attract viewers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community. Promote your YouTube videos across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Finally, monetize and grow your channel by exploring different revenue streams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and content.